वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदं वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम् ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्तिः 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 अलोन्त्यस्य अनेकाल्चित् सर्वस्य
निकाल्षित् सर्वस्य
आदेः परस्य
आदेः परस्य
ञ्च
नीच
येन विधिस्तदन्तस्य.
येन विधिस्तदन्तस्य.
So these are the first two sutras. Alontyasya anekasya sarvasya. Ekaladesha will replace eka, that is antyasya sthane, right? Antyasya sthane adesha. And anekal sarvasya sthane. But if it is a shit adesha, anekal, then also sarvasya. Ekal. Ekal adi is ekal antyasya sthane. Anekal sarvasya sthane. Again ekal, but it is shit. If it is shit, then this must be a shit. Okay, that's the logic. Then ekal shit sarvasya sthane adeshavati. For that also we saw examples, right? You know, just and shas replaced by she, right? Shit adesha. Hakara is it. It replaces the entire sthani, which is us. Just and shas, us content is, right? Understand?
Yes.
Follow?
Yes.
Yes. After this we saw, there's two sutras we saw, a lot of examples. We can add more examples whenever we come across that, we'll do it. Then the next sutra is, a lot of examples we have seen, anekal, and separately shit example also we are given, right? Remember? So these are all shittar. Idam is replaced by ish. Ish is the adesha. Shakara is it letter. Therefore, ekal adesha, because it is shit, therefore sarvasya, the entire thing is replaced. Therefore you get itaha, e plus tas. Tas is a tadita pratyaya. When tadita pratyaya, vivakti pratyaya follows, idam will be replaced by e. That's a rule. But here, in order to replace the entire sthani by e, therefore shakara is given, so that replace the entire sthani. Otherwise, if you want to replace only last letter, I can just say e. Ekal sthani, ekaladesha, then antyasya sthani. But here, because of shakara being it, therefore shit adesha, therefore entire sthani, sarvasya sthane adesha. Understand?
Yes.
That's what we saw, anekal as well as shit. For both, we have seen how many examples. Shit example 3. And here we have seen 6. This example also is that is not required for us. A lot of examples. We can add more. We'll come across. Okay. Now next sutra we'll see Adehe Parasya. This is Adehe Parasya. The next sutra. See. Adehe Parasya. What is Adehe? Adi means beginning.
Yes.
Adi is beginning. Parasya is following. Parasya is that which follows. That's called Parasya. Okay. So,
Yeah.
Parasya yat vigitam tat. That an adesha which is ordained for the following, then that will replace the first letter of the following. Like in Sandhi context, we have many examples like that. Let us see the example and then come back here so that you will understand. I will take the known example, which is this example is a known example. Do you remember the sutra? Udastha stambho purvasya. Please check your Sandhi notes. This example we saw. What is Udaha? Udaha is Pratipadikam Ud. It is the Upasarga. Right?
Yes.
Sta or Stambh when follows, what will happen? 8461. Please see here in Sandhi that we have seen. And Purvasya is then Savarnaha is Purvasya Savarnaha Adesha Bhavati. Where in the place of Sta Dhatu and Stam Dhatu. Sta, Tishtati, that's Sta Dhatu. Stam, another Dhatu. The Sta Dhatu, form of Sta Dhatu and Stam Dhatu, when follows the Ud, then what will happen? Then the Sta and Stam will be replaced by Purva Savarna. What is a Purva letter here? Ud, Dakara. So Dakara will replace the Sta. Now the question comes. This is Dakara, Purva Savarna. Savarna of the Purva. What is the Savarna letter of Dakara?
Ta.
No, sir.
No. The of Dakar.
Yes.
Takar.
No. Ta, tha, dha, dha, na. All the 5 letters are Savarna. We have to select one among them.
Okay.
Now, it is going to replace what? Here the Sta. That's what the Sutra says, right? Sta and Stam. Two words are there. So will it replace the entire Sta? Purvasya Savarnaha, whatever may be the Savarna, that letter, will it replace the entire Dhatu? Sta? No. This is a Stani. Anekal Stani. Adesha is Ekal Adesha. Adesha is Purvasya Savarnaha. Purva letter is Dakara. Savarna of that is Tatha Dana. Among them, we have to select what that we will do later. Don't worry. Whatever it is. Ekal Adesha. That will come in the Anekal Stani. Is it so? No. That is why this sutra is there. Adege Parasya. That is, this is a Purva Padam. This is a Uttara Padam, right? This is
Yes.
Purva Shabda, Uttara Shabda. Now, Adesha is ordained for the Uttara Shabda, that is Parashabda, Parasya. And Parasya, what is ordained? In this sutra, in this example, Purva Savarna is ordained, right? Purva Savarna is, Purva letter is Dakara. Savarna of that is Tha, Tha, Dha, Dana, 5 letters are there. That will replace Parasya Adehe. Adi means the beginning. What is the beginning letter? Sakara. Sakara is the beginning of the following. Adege Parasya. Adege is beginning. Parasya is following. Beginning of the following. Beginning letter of the following. Understand? That is Sakara. Not the entire star. We follow it. In Sandhi Sutra, I didn't explain because that time it is a bit too much. Now you can understand. You have to remember the Sandhi, then only you will appreciate this Paribhasha also. What we have seen in Sandhi, if you remember, The sakara being a what? Being a hard sibilant, right? Katora, Ushma, Varnaha. Therefore, dakara being the tha, na. And this is Mahaprana also. So among the Purva Savarna, dakara, takara, dakara, dhakara, nakara. What will come in the place of Mahaprana? Only Mahaprana letters have to come. It means takara cannot come, dakara cannot come, nakara cannot come because they are Alpa Prana. So now the choice is
Yes.
reduced to only two. All these are by what sutra we are doing. Remember? What is sutra? What is the sutra? That was the paribhasha that we have seen. Purasana. Anudis savarnasya cha. Sorry, stane antaratamaha. That is the paribhasha. Remember? Anudit savarnasya cha. That is Anudit savarnasya cha is different. Stane antaratamaha. That is the paribhasha. Remember? You have to select the appropriate. Stane antaratamaha. That is which is proximate, closest one as we selected. That is what I am doing it. Among the 5 letters of Tavarga, 3 are ruled out because Alpa Prana. We have left out with these 2 Mahaprana. Among these 2 Mahaprana also, this is soft Mahaprana. Mahaprana fine, but it is Mridu Vyanjanam. That also ruled out. Then what is left out is, this is a hard consonant and Mahaprana. This will be the replacement. Now the question is, this is Ekal Adesha. Now where it will come? Should it come to the entire stani, that is sta, as per the sutra? Sta? No. Because the adesha is ordained for the parasya, for the following. It will come in the beginning of the following. It means sakara will be replaced by takara. Understand? Therefore, ut. First, you have to remember the sandhi. Then only this. I took this example because assuming that you remember the sandhi. This sutra is specifically for sta dhatu and stam dhatu when preceded by ud, upasarga. Now, you can ask how this has happened. Come on, sir. This is first is what we do. This is 8461. Before that, we have to apply karicha, right? Karicha is what? 8455. We need to apply karicha. Because of karicha, the dakara become takara. Now, sakara, the following one should be replaced by savarna of the preceding, purvasya. The sutra itself, purvasya is udaha, purvasya, sthastambho. So among the 5 letter, now the right option is takara. There we apply the sutra, stanentaratamaha. What is the sutra number? Tell me. Find out. Stanentaratamaha. You need to look at the sutra again. It is the first chapter.
Yes.
First chapter, where? First chapter, it is in the very first section.
1150.
1150, exactly. 1151 is Urandraparaha, right?
Yes.
This is 1150. Stanentaratamaha. Do you remember we have seen this? Right?
Yes.
So we have seen the sutra. So look, you have to recall. The stani, antaratamaha, approximately. In fact, we have seen what are that 4 thing. One is based on pronunciation and based on matra, based on artha, based on kala, like 4 types we saw. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us see. So the first 1150.
Yes.
Now, after applying that, now what happens after that? Takara, then takara, takara. I didn't write all the steps here because in Sandhi we have seen. What happened to this takara? It should be like this. It should be like this, right? But I have removed one takara. Why? Tell me. How does it happen?
संयोगन्तास्य लोपः.
Sorry?
संयोगन्तास्य लोपः.
No, sir. How can be Sayyoganta? Where is Sayyoganta? There is no Sayyoganta. This is a padam. If you take
There is
Upasarga,
no.
there is no Sayyog.
Okay.
Here also there is no Sayyog.
Yes.
Then?
Not remember.
I have the Sandhi notes open. In the beginning, Sandhi notes, there itself we have seen. Before that and after that. Jaro Jari Savarne. Alaha. Jaro Jari Savarne. Jar letter, al when followed by jal, jal followed by when another jar, then the jar will become lopaha. Okay, you need to recall the sandhi. This is at the end of our sandhi rules. Yeah, last sutra. 8461, 123 our sutra we saw. This is our list. Udastasta Tamboho Purvasya. Then Jaro Jari Savarna. I have taken the same example and applied this. Jaraha, jar letter when followed by Savarna jar, and here Alaha is coming as Anuvutti from the previous sutra. Then we have Jaro Jari Savarne. What happens? That the jar letter will become Lopaha. That is sutra. So that sutra is what is applied. We are in Tripadi. How can you apply Sayoganta Silopaha? Sayoganta Silopaha, it is in 8-2 section. And we have applied 8461. After applying 8461, how can you apply 82? You cannot apply. Right?
Yes.
So that is one logical error problem. It cannot do it. Right? Now you see the. Yes, you can see this is a sutra. And here, if you see this example, Udastastamboho, we have seen that. 8461. This is the sutra, Udastastamboho. This is what I'm taking as an example. Udaha is Panchami, Stastamboho, Stadatu, Stamdatu. When Ud is followed by Sta and Stam, Purvasya Savarna will replace the Sta and Stam. Now the question here we didn't discuss because it may not possible. That time this is Paribhasha is difficult to cover, difficult to understand. That's why I didn't cover. Now I'm doing it. Sta and Samdhatu, which immediately follows Ud, will take Purva Savana Adesha, that is Takara. Savarna of Dakara is this 5. One of them must replace the Sakara, and the best choice is Takara. Why? Because Uchchara Sthanam is dental and Antara Praitaram being different. Therefore, we have to, all those things, Bhagya Praitaram, etc., all those things. That's what I explained. Sakara being it is Mahaprana. I didn't discuss all this, not to just this much itself enough, Mahaprana. Therefore, corresponding Mahaprana of the hard consonant, Takara, that will be replacement. Therefore, replacing that, we get Utthanam or Stasyati, whatever it is. Similarly, Uttambana. After applying this sutra, 8461, we have this like this. Then the next sutra, this is in Tripadi. The last sutra happens to be Jaro Jari Savarne, which says, in the context of Sandhi, a jar letter, what are jar letter? Jamain Gadada, Shabagadash up to Shashasar. A jar letter preceded by a hal, okay, consonant, followed by a Savarna jar, will become Lopaha. Now here, this is a consonant hal, followed by takara, which is the first takara, jal. Jal is followed by second takara, which is jal, savarna, jal, jar. Sorry, understand? Takara
Yes.
followed by takara followed by takara. So jar followed by jar. Therefore, one jar will become lopaha optionally. Therefore, utthanam. We get optionally. This is what I'm making it here. Understand?
Yes.
So applying that. So vikalpena. Therefore, two forms are there. One is this form. Other form we can take like this also. Uttasyati. So we apply jaro jari savane. What is the number? 845.
65.
Now you understand why we replace the first letter of the following because of this paribhasha. Paribhasha adehe parasya. Right?
Yes.
Similarly, uddha plus stitaha. Stitaha is form of stadhatu. Stam is not literally stadhatu. Stam is form of stadhatu. Stasyati is future tense. Lut lakara. And stitaha is nishta rupam. Stadhatu. Uddha plus stitaha. What will happen? We apply this sutra. This is that
Karicha.
is what follows. Udaha sta stamboho. When udaha, which is the kara of ud precedes the sta or stam, then sta dhatu will get purva savarna. Now the question comes: will it replace the entire stani, that is sakara and thakara, and akara also is there, or all only the beginning by this paribhasha? Because ade parasya, when the following is replaced, remember that is what sutra is. When the following is replaced, then it will not replace the entire, it will replace the first of the following. The first of the following is sakara. So sakara will be replaced by takara. Here we apply first is jalam jashonte 8 to 39. Because of that, dakara becomes takara. Then we apply this sutra. Udasta stambaho 8461, I think. Then after that, jaro jari savane optionally we apply 8465. Then you get the form uttitaha, right? Uttitaha or uttitaha. Understand?
Yes.
You understand the paribhasha now? Adehe parasya.
When the replacement occurs in the following word, only the first
Yes.
letter is
Only
replaced.
only first of the following will be replaced.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes.
It means you will see the condition. First of the following will replace. It means stani follows. Stani follows means that word what before the stani will be in what vibhakti?
Panchami.
We have seen paribhasha. Remember tasmaditi
Tasmadi.
uttarasya.
Yes.
So tasmad is that word which is in panchami with reference to which stani will be the following. So when
Yes.
following is replaced, the first letter will be there, will get replaced, man. Simple. In fact, that is what we apply. Tasmaditi, the stani is indicated by the word which is in Panchami Vibhakti. The stani is therefore sta dhatu and stam dhatu. That is why we determine the stani. Sta stambhaku could be Shashti Bhakti, Dvivachanam or Saptami also. Why we take Shashti? Because of Tasmaditi Uttarasya, by that paribhasha, a stani is reference to by the word which is in Panchami Vibhakti. Therefore, this is stani. Now the question comes, stani is Anekala Desha, sorry, Anekal stani. Now, which letter of the stani will replace? Then this paribhasha will walk in and will say, it replace the first letter of the stani. Got it?
Understand. Yes.
Now see the sutra. Parasya yad vigitam, that which is ordained for the following, then tat tasya adege bodhyam, that is ordained for the first of the following, that is should be understood. This is an apavada to alontyasya. Don't take parasya is there, shashti bhakti. Therefore, don't replace the last letter of the stani. It is meaningless. Don't do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So it is something like that. The train is the train is not able to move, then I mean the engine is there. The train is moving. Where you will fix the engine? In the beginning or at the end? In the beginning, it's only you have to fix, not at the end. Okay. The Adesha, which is specified for something that follows, will replace the first letter of the Sthani. Understand?
Yes.
The Paribhasha Sutram, Tasmaditi Uttarasya, what does it say? It directs the Karya to be on that which follows, right? That is, a Sthani is that which comes after, which is specified in Panchami. So, therefore, when this Paribhasha is applied, we know. What is the Paribhasha Sutram number? Remember?
Tasmaditi
Right.
Uttarasya.
1-1. Just find out.
This is first. Also.
1-1.
First.
Yeah, 1-1-70. No, 67. 1-1-67. This Paribhasha. Okay. So this Paribhasha is applied when there is a word specified in Panchami, right?
Yes.
So therefore it's understood in all the sutra. Here also it is understood. Dasta Stambhoho. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So here when we apply, we need to, you can say Tasmaditi Uttarasya 1-1-67, and therefore after that this Paribhasha is applied. 1-1-50 Sthanentraha. What is the Paribhasha? What is the number? What we are saying? Adehe Parasya. Adehe Parasya number is 1-1-57. 1-1-57. See all the Paribhashas. This is Tasmaditi Uttarasya. Then we apply this Paribhasha Adehe Parasya. That is our topic. Then we apply Sthanentraha by that Takara, which is the right choice, replace. Understand? All are implied.
Yes.
Now you see the other example. Jayad Jyadadiyasaha. This is a sutra. You may not understand everything, it's okay. This is in 6th chapter, 4th section, 160. Splitting that, you get Jyat. Jyat, what vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. What's the Pradipadikam?
Jya.
Like Ramash. Jya is a Pradipadikam. At is what? Adesha.
Yes.
Adesha means Takara is only Uchcharanartham. A is the content. Okay.
Yes.
What is Iyasaha? Iyasaha is the Sthani.
Sthani.
Here, Iyasaha, Sthani is okay. The Pratyaya is a Sthani. Okay. The first thing is, there is one Pratyaya called Iyas Pratyaya. Okay. Jaya is one Shabda. It is a Tadita Pratyaya. Iyas is a, we don't know what it is, doesn't matter. Just a note. That is a Tadita Pratyaya. Iyas is a Tadita Pratyaya. Iyas is a Tadita Pratyaya. Tadita Pratyaya are added to the Pradipadikam. So Jaya is one Pradipadikam. Okay. We don't need to know what Jaya is. Some Jaya is Jaya plus ES. ES is a Pradita Pratyaya. Now this sutra will apply. When Jaya is followed by ES, right? That is Sthani, then A will be the Adesha. Now question comes, where A will come? When Jaya is followed by ES, ES is that which follows, A will come. Will A replace the entire Sthani? No. We cannot replace the last letter, that is meaningless. When Jya follows, ES will be replaced by A means. Will you replace Sakara, last letter? It's meaningless. Alontyasya apavadaha, that sutram, adeha paras. Therefore, what will happen? And A is Ekala Desha, and Sthani is Anekal Sthani. Therefore, what will happen? Ekala Desha, Anekal Sthani. It should replace our general knowledge is Antyasya, but we cannot do Antyasya. Why? Antyasya is meaningless. That's why this sutra will come. If the following has to be replaced, it has to replace the first letter of the following. This paribhasha walks in, knocks off alontyasya paribhasha, and therefore this E alone will be replaced by A. Understand?
Yes.
So Ja, when followed by ja, when preceded by ja, es will be replaced by a, means e alone will be replaced. Therefore, natu sarvasya sthane adehe sthane adau bhavati. Therefore, you get ja plus a plus yes, jayas. Understand?
Yes.
Jayas is a shabda, sakaranta shabda. We can decline. Jayasi chet karvanaste mata buddhir janardana comes in Gita. You will see the declension of Jayas shabda later. Okay. ES1 is comparative. Compared to karma, compared to jnanam, karma is better. That's what Arjuna, I mean, the question he asked. Comparative, this is. You follow the example that this
Yes.
paribhasha is applied. So here also, see, when this is specified in Panchami, right? At is 1-1. ESA can it be 1-1? No, ESA is that which follows. So Tasmaditi paribhasha, Tasmaditi uttarasya by that paribhasha, this is going to be the sthani. Now sthani happens to be anekal sthani. And adesha is only a only. Takara is only ucharanato. Don't consider that. Don't take it as anekal sthani. Okay. A is the adesha. Now anekal sthani ekala adesha. Generally what we'll do, we will replace the last letter. So negating that paribhasha alone, this paribhasha comes until when the first letter, when the following has to be replaced, then the first letter of that should be replaced. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Similarly, another one is that this is not difficult, but so many things are there in the sutra. Bahor lopo bhucha bahoho. We don't need to know the sutra in detail, but simple is given that's why given the vibhakti. Bahoho is what vibhakti? Panchami.
Panchami.
Pratipadikam, Bagu, like Guru.
Yes.
Lopaha is the Adesha,
Yes.
right? And this is another thing. Okay, Buhu is the Adesha and Bahava is the Sthani. Okay, now I'll explain what is this. This sutra also has the Anuvritti. Without Anuvritti, we cannot know. As the Anuvritti of Imanich, when Pratyaya is there. Imanich. Here we have one Imanich also is there. Imanich Anuvritti. Imanich iti Anuvrittihi. This comes from the Samadha Sutra. Okay. We don't know where from where it comes. Anuvritti. So Imanich is a pratyaya. List one. It's a pratyaya. So Imanich pratyaya is ordained after Bhagu. Okay. Imanich is a pratyaya ordained after Bhagu Shabda. Okay.
Okay.
That is not the sutra says. The sutra has got the Anuvritti of Imanich. Imanich 6-4 section. So therefore, Imanich coming as Anuvritti from some other sutra, we don't need to know from where it comes. And all it is simple. That's not required. So Imanich is coming as Anuvritti. Okay. Now, Bhagu plus Imanich. Now, this sutra, what will happen? We can apply. Now, the sutra says what? Bhagoho lopaha bhavati. Lopaha is the Adesha. Where? Bhagoho parasya. Bhagoho uttarasya. Right?
Yes.
I'm taking not only Imanich, other pratyaya also, other words are also there. But I'm not taking all those things not required for us. I need only this Imanich alone. So, following the Bhagu, that Imanich pratyaya is there, that will become Lopaha. Content of Imanich is Iman. Imanich is a pratyaya, and if you see the content, I will write the content. Almost. Content is Iman. Chakara is it, and Upadesha Ajanasika also it, Iman. Now the question comes, when preceded by Bhagu, not follow, sorry. When preceded by Bhagu, when preceded by Bhagu, that will become Lopaha. So Bhagu precedes. Now Iman follows. Now Lopa Adesha, what will happen? Will it come for the entire Sthani? No. Bhagu is Panchami. And Lopaha is the Adesha. Therefore, Tasmaditi Uttarasya, by that paribhasha, what we do? We apply But the paribhasha we apply, therefore stani is follows. So iman is a stani. First we have to identify the stani. Bhagugo is panchami, right? Therefore,
Yes.
that which follows a panchami is a stani. Therefore, tasmaditi uttarasya 1167. By that, we first find out this is a stani. Now, stani is anekal stani. Now, when followed by, when preceded by Bhagu, it means Bhagu is in Panchami. That which follows will get Lopa Adesha means, now this is Anekal Stani. Will the whole thing will become Lopaha? The question comes. Stani is sorry, Adesha is Ekal. Ekal Adesha, what we do? Ekal Adesha by our general paribhasha, Antyasya Stani. Here
Yes.
we cannot apply Antyasya. There is no meaning at all. Therefore, you have to apply this paribhasha, Adekhe Parasya, because the replacement is with reference to Bhagu. Bhagu is before. Therefore, here only some change will happen, the first letter, not the end letter, unless otherwise it's something special specified. So, therefore, now either the entire thing or the first thing. Now, this paribhasha comes not the entire stani, Adehe Parasya, the first letter of that Adehi, Adehe Parasya. First letter of the following will be replaced by the Adesha. Adesha is Lopa, therefore E will become Lopaha, therefore you will get Bhagu Man. Understand?
Yes.
So by this paribhasha, Adehe Parasya, which number is 11? Adehe Parasya 1154 will apply. So Bhagu plus Man. That's it. That's what our sutra is. After that, okay. After that, also another interesting thing is this first part we did the sutra. Bhagoho Lopaha. This is one part, right?
Yes.
Another part is the Bhugu cha Bhagoho. The Bhagu will be replaced by Bu. This is another part. Two things happen. First is replacement of the first letter of the following, that is done. After that, what happens? Bhagu becomes the stani. That is replaced by Bhuhu Adesha. The first Bhagoho is Panchami. Second Bhagoho is Shashti. Okay.
Yes.
So second Bhagoho, the Bhagu will be replaced by Bu. Now what paribhasha is applied, you tell me. This is a good example where two paribhashas are applied.
This is Anikalshit Sarvasya.
Exactly. Bu is Bakara plus Bu, Anekala Desha. Therefore, Apavada to Alontyasya doesn't replace the entire, this replace the, it doesn't replace the last one, it replaces the entire stani. Understand?
Yes.
So this is, we cannot, here the paribhasha is Anekalshit Sarvasya. What's the number 11, which we saw? So this example can be taken for the previous one also, right?
Yes.
But I didn't give that. I give it here. This is Anekalshit Sarvasya. Got it?
Yes.
Therefore, Bhuman. Bhuman means Brahma. It is used in Chandogya Upanishad. Bhuma Vidya, Brahma Vidya. You follow?
Yes.
Very good.
So this sutra 64158 is
Mm.
specifically for these two words.
64115 specifically for Bhagu. How the word Bhuman is derived from this sutra only.
Yes.
Bhagavad Lopaha, Bhagucha, Bhagoho by adding the Imanish Pratyaya. Imanish Pratyaya Anurti is there, Ishtan Pratyaya is there, but those things are not required for us. That's why I didn't give. You understand?
Yes.
So, Adehe Parasya, therefore, we need to know Tasmaditi Uttarasya, but the paribhasha is there, and then Adehe Parasya, right? It's connected to that. Got it?
Yes. Yes.
Now, another example I'll give. Now, you see this sutra. With this, I think, if you have time, you can do, otherwise, we will stop with this. I will do this sutra. This is a good example. Dasit Dut. Remember this? In Sandhi, we have seen this. See, you need to remember what we have seen. That only this will become interesting and you will understand also. What is Dasit Dut? See the Sandhi Sutra.
This
See,
this is Daha followed by Sakara, Dutagma comes.
Duttagama comes. We'll go to the Sutra and see. What's the number? 8329, I think. Okay. Let's keep. We'll see that and then we'll come back and then do 8329. What's the number in ours? Yeah, I think so. You come. The list of sutra number, if you see, better. Our sutra number. I think this is done as before. Let me check our number. How does it do? It is not seen in our Adesha Pratyaya Stoko Punatatu.
Eight three 29.
Yeah, but have we done that? Yeah, we have done
Yes.
that, right?
Yes.
But the number is missing in our sutra list. Do you remember where we did which under which? I think I have not numbered it probably, but that is done. Probably that is done when we did do some Sudanta. Dasidut. So Dasi means Shakaranta Shabda. Under Shakaranta Shabda, we think we would have done this Dasidut. And let me check that. Or I have to find out here.
I found.
3229, yes, yeah, applied here, which was Shadow for Kasi. It means before that I must have explained that.
I think it was only mentioned, not explained in detail.
Yeah, that's enough. That alone I want where I mentioned it. Yeah, I think here must be. That's it. Yes, so here 7-3 and all, you will have two forms. So definitely I would have mentioned 7-3 or somewhere. 8-29. Maybe one note or something will be there. That's okay.
Uh,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
it was in an example for 8233.
8233. What's
Yes.
our number?
89, Sutra 89 for our number.
Yeah, yes, that's what. Sutra 89. Okay. Sutra 80.
In these examples, it comes.
Yeah, which example?
Example
You said,
for
you,
Hakaranta
you said,
Druh.
yeah,
Druh
you said
Shabda.
89, right?
Yes.
Yes. I'll go to 89. Yeah, we still have to go. Rode lopaha. Vishistato dodaha. Not tuhu.
Vadruha muha shnuha shniha.
Yeah, this is what is that? Not 89. Maybe our sutra is different. Vadruha mruha shnuha shniha. What is the number? Under that,
8233.
no. Yeah, our number.
Our
That number,
number 8 in my file 89. The sutra number.
okay, it is not there in 89. Okay, anyway. 7-3. You just can see here 7-3.
There.
8-2-39 is there. 8-2. Okay. Here it must be 7-3. So we have two forms here. Not here also. Maybe the next one. Okay, if it's not there, you can see later. Then I will explain that sutra. Maybe they have done somewhere. It's noticed there. I don't know where it is that.
Now you need to go in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so Dattva Pakshe, I think it must be here. Does it do?
Yes, there.
Optional
8233.
form 29. This is Duttadesha. I
Hey,
did
look,
mention.
look. Yes.
Yeah. A star mark. Okay, I didn't expect. Anyway, I'll explain this what quickly. So you know that example, what we saw. Now, with that in mind, you see something interesting here. So Daha followed by Sakara. Then Duttagama will come. Dut is a Agama. Tittagama, therefore it will come. Where it will come? Before.
Before,
Tittagama
yes.
comes before. So Dakara is Panchami and this is C is Saptami. Now where is Shashti? Agama will come for the Shashti. Padanta Dakara, therefore what we do when Panchami and Shashti is, Saptami is Shashti is not there, then
One of them is stronger.
yes, 7-1 will be treated as Shashti. 5-1 is stronger. Ubhe nidishte Panchami Baliyan. It means
Yes.
Panchamyaha Parasya Saptamyaha Shashti Kalpate. The following one, that is Saptami, will be treated to be Shashti. It means that is a Stani. So Agama will come for C. That is C means Sakara follows. The
Yes.
Stani in that Sakara is the first letter, that will get Dut Agama. Understand?
Yes.
So Ubhe Nidishte Panchami Balyan, that Paribhasha is applied. Right? Understand? That's the example. Now you see. Vish plus Su. You need to remember all the sutra. Supratya 7-3. Right? First thing what we do, we apply 8-36. 8-36, what does it say? Brashya, Srijam, Raja, Yajam, Raja, Cha, Sham, Shaha. Shakara, when followed by Jal, or at the end of the Padam, is to be replaced by Shakara, number 1. Right? After that, Shadoho Kakasi, that is 8-39, applies. Applying that, Shakara will be replaced by Dakara when followed by Sakara. Shakara or Dakara when followed by Shadoho Kaha. Sorry, 8-39 is Jalam Jashwanti. Shamitam, sorry. Not Shadoho. 8-39 is Jalam Jashwanti. This is Jal, and because Supratya follows, therefore this will be Padam. So Padanta Jal is replaced by Dakara. Now, after that, what happens? We apply this 8-329 is optional. So directly we can do this is one form with Su, or here what we do? We apply this Agama. That is, a step is missing here. We apply 8-329, 8-329. By that, this following Sakara will get Dut Agama. Dut means Dakara is the Agama. right?
Yes.
By applying the paribhasha, Ubhe Nidishte Panchami Baliyan, now this comes. Understand? So
Yeah.
after that, what will happen? 8 for 42 is
Napadan.
na
Napadan.
na padantat toranam, na padantat toho anam. That's why sandhi doesn't happen. Tota sandhi doesn't happen. Then after that we do karicha. Karicha 2 times you have to apply. This will be replaced by takara, and this also followed by sakara, which is kar. Therefore, vitsu we get, right? This is the form we get. So this is an example for dasidut, right?
Yes.
Ubbe nidishte panchami baliyan. So that is the point I'm noting it here. When Panchami and Saptami are specified in the Sutra, and Sthani is not specified, the Saptami will be considered to be the Sthani. Therefore, the Karya will happen to the first letter of the following, that is a Sthani. How? By Adeke Parasya. The Duttagama comes where? The Duttagama comes before. This is
Before.
treated to be Sthani. Therefore, Duttagama comes before here. That is, understand?
Yes.
So, Adeke Paribhasha is applied. First is we have to find out Sthani. This is Ubhe Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. By that sutra, we make Saptami to be the Shashti. Now, when Agama is ordained, the Agama is Dut Agama. It comes before the Sthani. Understand?
Yes.
Why this says Dut Agama is there? Dut Agama doesn't come, it doesn't come for Saptami. You have to make this into a Shashti, and then Dut Agama comes. Dut Agama comes Adeke Parasya. This is a point which I have written here. And here I have further, here also, just one sutra. In Anekalshi Sarvasya also I have mentioned this. This is also here another example. That we will see in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this part you understand. Adehe Parasya. Right?
Okay.
But in this example, this is a dut, may not be a good example because this is going to be Agama. So once you make this as a Sthani, right? Once you make this as a Sthani, and Agama, Duttagama is Tittagama. Therefore, it will come at the beginning only. So we don't need to apply this, this Karya will happen. This Karya will happen. But here in this case, there is no Karya, just Agama comes. But Karya happens for that, we can take this as an example. What example? Ida Saha. This is a good example. This example we can take. This example also, I just 2 minutes, I'll complete this.
Okay.
Okay. This says, Eat is the Adesha. Okay. Eat is Ikara is the Adesha. Comes in the place, comes where Sani is not mentioned. Asaha is Panchami and Ane is Saptami. Sutra is Asaha. You split the sutra. Eat plus Asaha and Ane is coming as Anuvritti. So the sutra says, Asaha Ane Pare. When As is followed by Ana, Ana is Panchami, is a Saptami, Asaha is in Panchami, the Sutra, then Eat Adesha will come. Now question is, where is Shashti? Now we have to apply this our general paribhasha, Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. By that we make this as a Panchami. Sorry, Shashti, Shamitam, sorry. Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. Therefore Panchami is the Saptami is there. You make the Saptami into a Pancha, Saptami into a Shashti. Now Ana is Anekal Sthani. Fine. Adesha is E. Now this Adesha E, where it will come? Will it replace the entire Ana or the
No.
first? Because Shashti is that which follows the Panchami. Tasmaditi Uttarasya. Therefore, it has to replace the first letter of the following. So this is a good example. Understand?
Yes.
So by this paribhasha, first we make Ube Nidishte Panchami Baliyan. By that sutra, we make the Shashti, Saptami into Shashti. Ana is a Shashti Bhakti. Now this is Anekal Sthani getting Adesha, E, which is Ekal Adesha, right? Ekal Adesha, what it will do? It will replace the last letter. That paribhasha cannot be applied alone here. because here the reference is with reference to the Panchami as. Therefore, this is a Sthani. Will it replace the entire Sthani? No. We have to apply this Paribhasha. The following letter, the following the Shabda, the word, the first of that will be replaced by the Adesha. Therefore, A is replaced by E. Therefore, you get Asina. Understand? Asina is Shanach Rupam of As Dhatu. We will see that later. So this is a good example. I would say this is a good example, not this. This is an example to show Panchami Nidishte, Ube Nidishte, Panchami Baliyan. For that only, this is the example. Please note, this is not example for Adehe Parasya. Why I am saying is because here Duttagama is a Dut beginning Tittagama, it will come always in the beginning of the Sthani, right? At the beginning of the Sthani. Therefore, this example is only for this Paribhasha. Okay, not for Adehe Parasya. Adehe Parasya, we can take this sutram as the example. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here. You go through this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the next class.
Okay.
Okay. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om Dhanyavadaha. Please go through this, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.